Feeling a little hungry? Let's grab a quick snack and practice our English together.
I pick up an apple. I pick up an apple. I turn on the tap. I turn on the tap. I wash the apple. I wash the apple. I turn off the water. I turn off the water. I dry the apple. I dry the apple. I place the apple down. I place the apple down. I open the bread box. I open the bread box. I take a slice of bread. I take a slice of bread. I put the bread on a plate. I put the bread on a plate. I grab a jar of jam. I grab a jar of jam. I open the jar. I open the jar. I pick up a knife. I pick up a knife. I scoop out some jam. I scoop out some jam. I spread the jam. I spread the jam. I put the knife down. I put the knife down. I pick up the bread. I pick up the bread. I take a bite. I take a bite. I chew the food. I chew the food. I pick up the apple. I pick up the apple. I bite into the apple. I bite into the apple. I chew the apple. I chew the apple. I grab a napkin. I grab a napkin. I unfold the napkin. I unfold the napkin. I wipe my mouth. I wipe my mouth. I throw the napkin away. I throw the napkin away.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.